So today's video is for those of you interested in learning little tips and tricks that help you look and feel better. I know the inside is very important, but I also think self-care on the outside is important as well. And I think the littlest tweaks you guys can do on the outside make the biggest impact and help give you a little confidence boost. Truthfully, these are the little things that I do every day that help me look and feel better. So that's why I'm excited to share it with you. So let's get to it. So skincare, so important. I've always said, you guys, your face is your best accessory. And I hate to break it to you, but washing and moisturizing twice a day is not enough. I know. You have to boost your skincare regimen with a concentrate or serum that has studies that show that they give proven results. I partnered with Exuviance for this video. As some of you guys may know, I have been using Exuviance products for the past, I would say, year. I trust this brand because the first product I ever used was one of their peels, and no joke, seriously, no joke, after I used their peel, I visibly saw results after one use, but we'll get to that later. So this is how it goes down. So twice a day after cleansing, when my skin is clean and dry, I use the Wrinkle Smooth Topical Peptide. So this product is a no-tox alternative. So, you know, Botox, no-tox, so meaning no needles. And I just take a little bit and then I smooth this around my frown lines, on my forehead, and around my eyes. I use this product in those areas because it has a smoothing concentrate to help minimize wrinkles. Very important, yes, thank you. So then after that, I layer on the Lift Volumizing Concentrate. And you know you use your products when they look like this. Am I the only one who's like a total mess with my skincare? This concentrate has a volumizing moisturizer filler to help improve the look of smile lines. So I basically put this everywhere I need a lift. So I put it on my cheekbones and then the lower half of my face and my neck because I just want to like lift it up, lift it up. I do not want saggy skin. Yeah, and then after that, I just layer on a moisturizer and I do this little routine twice a day. It's so important to be consistent so that you guys can see results. I'm going to include the links to these products in the description below. You can buy them at Ulta, so it's a familiar store that I think many of us shop at. So, all right, on to the next. Ooh, this is a good one. Having my brows in check is really important for me to feel good when I'm getting ready. You know, on a lazy day, it doesn't matter, but when I'm really getting ready to show up somewhere, my brows have to be put on. Did you guys know that fuller brows create the illusion of a younger looking face? Because the reality is, as you get older, your brows get thinner. Yeah, hair loss happens everywhere. And when you have those little pencil thin brows, those harsh little lines, they create harsh lines on your face. So fuller and filled in brows really soften your features, and they also enhance your features. This is when I was just getting ready. So you see the one side has just my regular, I woke up like this brows, and then the other side has the penciled in brows. You guys can see the difference, right? Like the one with the filled in just really like kind of like pops my features out, and I feel makes me look, you know, a little like younger, put together, a little fresher. I actually just started using this a few months ago, and I just bought 4 of them because I do not want to run out. This is the NYX Professional Makeup Precision Brow Pencil. What I love about this is it has this, can you guys see this angled, squared off brush that really helps like the precision of filling in your brows. I don't know, but it works. I like it better than a rounded tip. And then this other end, you know, you have this little wand. Just feel more put together and more alive, and I can't say enough. So fuller brows create the illusion of a younger looking face. Need I say more? I am a bronzer addict, fanatic, user, overuser. Now I want to preface this by saying I am not a pro. So, you know, you may need to watch a contour tutorial, but for me personally, I'm just like you guys. It is so important for me to use bronzer to frame my face, to really enhance my features. So what I do is I put it at the top of my head, on my temples, my cheekbones, and I do it on my jawline because I feel like this really frames my face and helps pop my features. And also, fun little fact, contouring the frame of your face creates the illusion of a more oval face. Oval, ovular, I don't think, an oval face. So I like that. I really want to like elongate and highlight. All right, so after a long day when I'm feeling drab and dry and I feel like, where did my makeup go? It's like my makeup got sucked into my skin. You know what I'm saying? When you like desperately need a refresh. So what I do is I keep a facial spray in my car for these moments. I have been using Grace and Stella spray all day. This little, let's do it right now. I'm just gonna do it. This, oops, I tasted it. Ooh, it was rose taste. This little spray helps me feel better. It really does. I feel like I got a little refresh, like a semi-shower, and it just makes me feel good. So this is a little tip for you guys. I would keep it in your car, just there. So when you're feeling you just do a little and you feel good. So I love to get facials, but a lot of times I don't have the time to get a facial. And to be honest, they can also get really expensive. So I like to do a peel with a glycolic acid that really sloughs off that dead skin and helps brighten and smooth. So I've talked about this peel before. It's the Exuviance peel. This is what sold me on the Exuviance brand a year ago. I used this peel one time and I was just looking in the mirror like normal, maybe like a few hours later, and I stopped and I was like, my skin looks brighter. Truthfully, absolutely no BS. I feel like it's very rare to come across a product where you see instant results, and for me, that's exactly what it did. But I highly recommend you guys trying this product, and I would love to hear what you think, so please make sure you message me, and I've included this in the description below. And I think you can buy these at Ulta as well, but you'll see in the description. So these are just a few core things that for me help me look better and feel better, and I feel like they're attainable and relatable. I could go on and on about more tips, but I would love to hear if you guys would like to hear more about the things that make me feel and look good. Please let me know. I want to thank Exuviance for sponsoring this video, and now I gotta go on with my day, and I don't know, we'll see where the day takes me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Mwah! I'll see you next time.